sack. Because you don't need no Parrot get this sack. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming and please a round of applause for yourself. I'm not here to perform. Tonight, my brother is making history and I'm super excited. I don't know about you, I'm just excited for Jeffrey Nortey. And tonight, it's my privilege to be the one to bring him on stage to do what he knows how to do best. I've been doing this work for years, so you know that I don't want to impress anybody. You have heard comedians and friends. So me, I will just look. If you like, if you like, don't like, when you see this one, wait till the meeting because don't in the house, wait till you. I don't feel you have one for this. So, Jeff will come out, Dragon will come out.
Mumbo will come out.
Chief, because the way you drink the juice like ever medicine. So tonight we are making history. It's 3Faces of Jeffrey Nortey. Nobody have done it before. No, the whole Ghana, nobody. I've done 3Faces, nobody. There's only one person that do 2-Faces, which are that pastor and witchcraft. She cannot see me. She never finish with Empress. I wish she won't go. She's still in court. Then the other person that does 2-Faces is Shatawale, music and fight. But tonight, a young man that put the gang community on the map is also coming to do 3Faces of Jeffrey. He's a legend. He's a legend too, so I'm super excited. I call him my brother. Me and Jeffrey, we have a lot of things in common. And there are some secrets I know about Jeffrey. Even the mother don't know. Yeah. If you are close to Jeffrey, Jeffrey is the only celebrity in Ghana that has bought a car without reversing. No, if you are close to Jeffrey and you see that Jeffrey white Camry, the car white, Camry white. We went to do an event in Tema. I said, Jeffrey, let's go see CrossFit. I said, why? It's in their park. I said, how? I said, there's a car in front of me. If that car cannot move. I cannot move. I said, is there space at your back? He said, yes. I said, why can't you go back? So, truly, we went to the car. I know Jeff, so we're standing in front of the car. Hey, Jeffrey, no! Then they're giving him high. They were like, oh, you never say, oh, and they went somebody. Then me and him know that we're looking for the owner of that car. And you know, if you go for events and you park, so I'm telling people that drive. If you go for events and you park, have you noticed that the cars are normally blocking? Your car can buy 10 times 2. No, let me frank, have you noticed? Cars that normally block people at events is Elantra, Toyota V, Hiace, then Nissan. You will never see a Range Rover block anybody. Benz, no. Maybe my brother, if he is blocking, you don't get right, you wait. Are you aware that you say you get the guy away to block you, you don't go fish up, but you spend your destiny ever. So when comes I say, oh, that don't know, sir, I'm okay. Then once you see the car, this car, you are like, what type of process is this now? Is this how you're getting? Another car that my friend bought, that we love also we joined to celebrate was lunch time. Jeffrey bought the car, and Jeffrey brought the car to me. I was like, bro, I just buy a new car, but don't tell anybody, make it a secret. So I was like, oh, Shani, congrats. And I said, did you test the car? He said, yes. The person that sold the car to him is his best friend. I said, okay. So Jeffrey went to the bridge to shoot. I was there and I saw Jeffrey. He called me once and I didn't pick. He called me again and I didn't pick. Then 10 times was a video call and I picked. Then he said, bro! I said, yes. So I'm not going to come back again. I said, why? He said, switch to camera. I switched. I saw the engine was open. Jeff was standing and I asked him, what happened? He said, if I start the car will do jack. He know the start. I said, okay, rent battery. Put the battery in the car. Jeff went, we got battery, got 2 different batteries, the car refused to start. Until Jeff saw a tipper with sand passing. The tipper stopped, brought the tipper battery. Jumped the tipper battery with his own battery, that's 2 batteries, to start just 1 car. And the car sparked. And Jeff came all the way from the got to Martina. The car was overheating. And I called Jeff. I said, bro, you put water for the car? He said, yes. Are you sure it's this? Open the car. The car, he opened. There was water. Why the car was overheating? So we called the guy. I was on the call with him. And we called the guy. I said, bro, tell me the car, it's not overheating. Nobody did the car. Then the guy asked that, how many of you are in the car? Jeff said, just him. He said, that's why. And he said, why? He said, this car, if you buy, you don't need drive alone. He said, why? So you must get somebody for your side and the back. Then he said, why? He said, so that the strength of the car will fit. Then now the car is light. The car need weight. So we start with, I told them, if that's the case, no problem. So Jeffrey went to Soup to buy 2 bags of cement.
Parrot.
Jeff is nice. Is Jeff mom around? Jeff mom's around. Just step out. I know she'll be proud of the son. Is Jeff's father around? Where's your dad? Just want to play, let's celebrate the father of Jeffrey now. Oh, God, give us a yeah. This is the man that. What happened? What? I just said this is the man that. I'm not even finished now. Continue. That.
No talk.
I know you're proud of your son. But between me and you know this is not what you plan for you. Give me the mic and go 3. Is that your son is a vine of death. When the mom comes, I have a question for the mom. That's just this one. Mama. She on the pan. She knows me. Ma, welcome. Please wait. Tell them that you just noticed for. Wait. You know, Jeff, mom is a gun. I went to Jeff's house. So I was trying to park my car, and I used the car to hit. True story. In shop. Me and Jeff were begging the woman. The woman said, no, we'll fix the place. We'll beg. The woman said, no. Then Jeff went to call the mom, and the mom came. When the mother came, the mother asked us one question. Where do we hit? We say, the woman said, hey, I swear, we will not fix it. The woman was saying, we'll fix it. Then Jeff said, oh, my mom, they did. We were letting the woman say so. The woman said no. Now the woman is not making Jeff for that. Man, But she's proud of the son. I'm just imagining the smile on her face when she see the son that she gave birth to 2 years ago. You know when they gave birth to Jeffrey, they call pastors to do the name. And the pastor was praying that you will be a doctor. You will be a great man. You will be a pilot. Every spirit of comedy, act! But man, you are not God. I know that the first day that Jeffrey went and tell the mom, I want to do comedy. The mom will look at me. After school. This is what you want to do. Jeffrey like, yes. Okay. Go. And Jeff prays in 2 times in his life. I'll give you that. 1, anytime Jeff call you, and Jeff talk to you that bro, Shani, are you waiting? It's 2 things. 1, either Jeff does not have money, or Jeff is expecting money. Jeff called me, said, bro, Shani, are you waiting? Shani, I'm not waiting. I'm like, okay, I'm thinking we are going to see my friend Osoro. So as we are driving, Osoro ordered catfish and rice for us. When the food came, they opened, you know catfish, when you open it, there's one aroma that the aroma just came, phew. So I saw Jeff. I was like, bro, so, he said, I pray. I said, for 9. He said, my church, they do 6 to 9 a.m. Right? I love it. There's the song that, Toya, are we good? Are we good? Are we good with the song? Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready. Are you ready, Jeffrey Nortey? Oh, you are not ready. Are you ready for Jeffrey Nortey? Drop that song first. You know this one? Awesome, no many times. I'm a city boy, I'm a city no break. So we know we Ladies and gentlemen, please, are you ready to make history tonight? I want you to be on your feet, ladies and gentlemen. Let's be upstanding. Show me your light like this. Show me your light like this. I want to see your light. I want to see your light in the building. I want to see your light in the building. I want to see your light. Please, everybody, please be on your feet. Be on your feet. If you're excited for Jeffrey Nortey, if you're excited for Jeffrey Nortey, if you're excited for Jeffrey Nortey, I want to see your light. I can see some. I want to see your light in the building. Let's make history together, ladies and gentlemen. Let me see your light. Let me see your light. When I said Jeffrey, you said Nortey. Jeffrey. Jeffrey. When I said Jeffrey, you said Nortey. Jeffrey. Jeffrey. Ladies and gentlemen, make welcome Jeffrey Nortey. You're not shouting.